Hey y'all, Mark at the Donkey Rescue. What a week. It has been just a nightmare. This storm caught us all by surprise, especially the state of Texas utility not being able to provide us with power, our city not being able to provide us with water. It has just been insane. I want to give a shout out to all the people that work for Peaceful Valley that have put in the extra effort and the extra hours to make sure the donkeys were safe during all this. Next time we're going to be better prepared. We need more generators. We need more trough heaters. We need more everything. So when the city and state can't be there for us, we can still be there for the donkeys. So all your support has been so much appreciated. We're going to stay tough and we're going to stand by the donkeys and we'll all get through this. So y'all be good and we'll talk soon.